normally we have this humongous chatter which goes on in our minds, and we aren't even aware of it most of the time. And what we need to learn to do is to start taking a pause so that we can start becoming aware of what happens inside our head. And why is this important? Because most of the time what happens inside our head tends to be chatter which is not exactly empowering or helpful to us. It's basically based on beliefs which we have created as guidelines for ourselves based on our childhood experiences, and these childhood experiences have been colored by everything that's happened to us, that everything that has taken place around our life. Maybe it's the voices of our family, it's the voices of people in authority, it is the voices of our teachers, our friends. Perhaps we went through some experiences and our little tiny brains at the time, which were growing up without filters, decided to place some meanings onto these things. And most of the times these meanings tend to be not helpful. If we have amazing beliefs regarding ourselves, that's amazing, and we already have managed to reach success in life. But there are times when we find ourselves limited, and that limitation comes from those voices which have gone deep down into our subconscious, which is running those patterns which create obstacles for us and limitations for us. One of the first things we need to do is to become aware, because it is awareness which brings change. If we are not aware of the fact even that there is a mental chatter happening around in our head, then there is no possibility of changing it. If on the other hand we are able to silence our mind, then we have a great possibility of beginning to change it. And silencing the mind doesn't mean that we need to empty the mind of thoughts. It just means that we need to create some stillness and silence so that we can actually be aware of these thoughts. And once we are aware of these thoughts, we have the possibility to examine them, explore them, do some discernment and see how many of these thoughts are actually for us and how many of these thoughts are actually going against us. And to start doing that right now, take a few moments and relax, take a few deep breaths, and just think about what is going on in your head. And once you've thought about it, jot it down, and you will start becoming aware of all the voices in your head. Think about something you want to do, you really want to do, and you find yourself hesitant about doing it. And then start jotting down what do the voices in your head say regarding that. And you'll be surprised, because there's often this dialogue happening around which says, this should be done, this should not be done. If I do this, what if that happens? What if I fail? What if I fall? And usually the what if questions tend to bring us in front of situations which make us feel less confident about stepping forward. And being aware of these, and then beginning to examine these, and then beginning to move these aside so that these voices, instead of being the main voices that we hear, can be changed into voices which are more empowering and much more helpful for us. So just take a few moments in your day and start becoming aware of the chatter which goes down and around inside your mind, and see exactly most of the voices. Are they hindering you or are they helping you? See you. Bye bye.